Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with BECU Review My Usage Experience. BECU Review My Usage Experience isn't a specific service, but rather refers to my personal experience using BECU, Boeing Employees Credit Union. BECU is a credit union that offers a wide range of financial services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and investment options. Their target audience is primarily individuals and families looking for competitive rates and a member-owned financial institution. Key features include online and mobile banking, a large network of ATMs, and various loan options. Their website, becu.org, provides details on all their services and membership requirements. BECU emphasizes their member-focused approach, with benefits like lower fees and higher dividends compared to traditional banks. They promote financial wellness resources and highlight their community involvement. While they primarily serve Washington State, they also have partnerships that expand their reach. You can check eligibility for membership on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using BECU. I've been a member for about 2 years now, primarily using their checking account, savings account, and debit card. Getting started was very straightforward. I applied online, and the entire process, from application to receiving my debit card, took less than a week. The online banking interface is clean and intuitive. I easily navigate between accounts, view transactions, transfer funds, and pay bills. One standout feature for me is their mobile app. It's user-friendly and allows me to deposit checks remotely, which is incredibly convenient. Performance-wise, I've never experienced any issues with transactions or accessing my funds. Everything has been consistently reliable. I did have a question about international transaction fees once, and their support team responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how quickly they resolved my query. One minor drawback, however, is that their branch network is primarily concentrated in Washington, so if you live outside of that area, accessing a physical branch might be less convenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience as a BECU member. The combination of competitive rates, robust online and mobile banking tools, and excellent customer service makes it a great choice for my financial needs. That's my overview of BECU Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.